friends, welcome to our channel. In this video I am going to discuss with you the lessons that we learn from the Kautilya Arthashastra, lessons that we learn from Mahabharata, lessons that we learn from the Vedas. Let's start. First, lessons that we learn from Kautilya Arthashastra. Lesson first. According to the Kautilya Arthashastra, a manager should have a qualities like power of concentration, character, thinking capabilities, communication skills, and observation and vigilance. Lesson second. Kautilya makes it clear that six emotional devils do not allow an appropriate decision making in operations. The six emotional devils are that Kautilya said are Kama. Kama means lust. Krodha. Krodha means anger. Lobha. Lobha means greed. Mana. Mana means virginity. Mada. Mada means haftness. And Harsh. Harsh means overjoy. Lesson third. According to the Kautilya Arthashastra, Kautilya refers to the diplomacy as an important element in Niti Shastra. Here, Niti Shastra means foreign affairs. His clarity of thought is an evident from the identification of six attributes of diplomacy. Kautilya give six attributes of diplomacy. These attributes he talks about are intelligence, memory, cleverness of speech, knowledge of politics, morals, and readiness to provide resources. Lesson 4. Kautilya said that an efficient management means setting up a realistic target and meeting a target without using the overzealous method. Lesson 5. Kautilya stated that profitability should not only mean surplus or cost. It should also the means of provision of investment for future growth. Lesson 6. Kautilya said that an ideal Swami is one who has the highest qualities of leadership, intellect, energy, and personal attributes. Lesson 7 that we learn from the Kautilya Arthashastra. Kautilya said that a manager should have a practical experience, thinking power, sound judgment, and ability to differ while keeping total devotion to the company. So these are the lessons that we learn from the Kautilya Arthashastra. Now lessons that we learn from the Vedas. There are many lessons that we learn from the Vedas. The sum of the point are given here. The first lesson that we learn from Vedas is foster team spirit. Second, take responsibility to do work. Third, share the credit. Fourth, welcome competition. Fifth, praise count. Sixth, stay focused. Seventh, character building. 8. Spirit of cooperation. 9th. Emphasis on the loyalty, gratitude, and honesty. 10th. Work commitment. 11th. Utilization of available resources in efficient and optimum way. 12th. Removal of self-ego. 13. Value-based decision making. 15. Team is an human. So these are the lessons that we learn from the Vedas. Lessons from the Mahabharata. Lesson 1. transform the weakness into strength. According to the Mahabharata, we should transfer the weakness into strength. Second, share the responsibilities. According to the Mahabharata, we should share the responsibility among the different stakeholders in the organization. Third, learn the art of teamwork. We need to learn the art of teamwork. Fifth, take calculated risk. Sixth, have a efficient vision. Seventh, strategy. We should build a strategy to complete our task or to achieve our goal. Eighth, motivation. According to the Mahabharata, a person should be motivated and determined towards his work. Ninth, decision making. Decision making is the art to take the right decision at the right time. SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis means strength, weakness, and opportunity and threat analysis of the particular problems or particular project or any circumstances. 11th, commitment. 12th, believe in God. 13, truth always win. So in this video we discuss the lessons from that we learn from the Kautilya Arthashastra. Second we learn lessons from the Vedas, and third we learn from the lessons that we learn from the Mahabharata. So friends, please like and share our videos and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries, please write in the comment section. Thanks for watching.